Hello over there at Native Coast Landscapes. My name is Eddie Medina and I work with Boundless SEO and we're a digital marketing agency. Thank you first of all for giving us the green light to send this video to you guys. I was doing some research around your area and I came across your company's website and decided to contact you. I figured I'll shoot a quick video to give you 3 tips on how you can improve your website and beat your competition online. Now, I don't want to waste too much of your time, so I'll keep this super short. If by the end of this video, though, you are interested in our strategies, please give me a call so we can further chat. If not, no harm, no foul. You can take this video as educational. Even try yourself. Just be careful if you do. All right, let's get into it. The 3 things I like to go over is your content, backlinks, and citation. The first thing I was able to point out from your website is that it's not secured. That's not a good sign. There's really not much content in your homepage here, which is also not a good sign, but overall the navigation is fairly simple. It's smooth, like your little logo here, like this image. It's pretty catching. However, that's basically content is basically anything that you can see on the front page of your website. And that's including images. Image optimization is an important aspect of your website to rank. What I mean by that is saving your images as a keyword with relevant background description. For example, if I go here, right click and save image as, I see you didn't do a, or not you, but whoever helped out with this website with a keyword as the name. Also behind, when you're building a website, behind the images, there's an alt text section where you could add a good description. So Google could find your website there. Typically you want to see around 1,500 words of content. This is the minimum. This would of course improve relevance to the service you offer and level of trust inside of Google for a better ranking. In that 1,500 words though, of content, you really want to start inserting keywords organically without stuffing. Stuffing, in other words, is spamming. For example, having keywords all over the page makes it obvious your intentions are to throw these keywords, but scattered without protocol kind of hurts your website, so just be careful on that. You really want to avoid that. Believe it or not, Google will actually flag your website as spam. Google algorithms search for a more natural feel of a website. Let's just keep that in mind. Let's jump into errors here real quick. This is a paid tool. This is a tool we love to use. Here we could see the back end of your website. This is your website here. Punch it here. This is what you got. Backlinks, referring domains, keywords. Keywords, what I mean when you hear me say keywords, is pretty much the service and location in search inside Google. For example, landscaping Los Angeles, California, or landscaping Carmel, California. You want to be the top of Google, right? You want to be the first one there to catch people's eye. Well, looking at your website, you pretty much don't have anything going for you, unfortunately. The second thing I like to make you aware of is backlinks. When you think of the web, it's easy to imagine there are numerous websites linking to one another. Well, a backlink is just that. So it's a website that's sending traffic to your website via a URL or a hyperlink. It's literally just a separate website giving out traffic to your website. Please be aware though that not all backlinks are created equal. If you add a backlink to your website that has nothing to do with your industry or services, this can actually hurt your website. Backlinks are your UR level here. If you had any, you would see a meter here just like this. But unfortunately, you don't have any. You have 11 backlinks, but they're not giving you any power, unfortunately. No organic keywords, or excuse me, traffic. There's no people jumping to your website on a monthly basis. Keywords, only 5. But I'll get more into keywords later. The third and final thing is citations. A citation is essentially your company's business name, address, and phone number listed throughout the web in different directories. A directory would be something like Yelp, Angie's List, or Yellow Pages. Pretty much any of those websites out there that allows business owners to list business information and services, of course, to create a new avenue for people to reach them for their services. Citations would be the DR meter here. This would be your DR meter. You might want to keep this in a 1-to-1 ratio. It's pretty powerful if you can do that. Get good backlinks and citations. Improving these two will improve these, and that would pretty much rank up inside of Google. You just got to be very careful. When comparing what your competitor has, however, looks like Pacific Landscaping, these guys, you could tell they have a SEO service working for them. They have URL 24, DR 0.7. To tell you the truth, this is not helping them. So if you can capitalize on that and do that to your website and exceed this, I think you should be able to beat them. Backlinks, they have 310, but of course, you know, they're not ranking if the backlinks are not as secured and a good website. Referring domains is pretty much your citations here, which say have a decent amount. Organic keywords. This is why they are getting, you know, they're in the first spot of Google on the first page. When you jump on here, you can see they have different keywords here, but in California, it's not buyer intent like the actual city. So I'm not sure they're doing fairly well with this. It kind of makes no sense if you're on the other side of the country and they found your website. So it's just, I think you have the chance to pass them or reach them in the first page of Google. Going back to the overview, they are getting organic traffic of over 1K, over 1K, over 1,000 on a monthly. So people are jumping into the website. But again, the keywords are not all that clear, so it might not even be for buyer intent keyword or service. All right, so hopefully this has been informative and educational for you. I really hope you got a lot out of this. And again, just to recap, if a website is lacking keywords, backlinks, and citation, that site is not really getting any boost, which of course leads to missing out on opportunities, you know, calls and leads, and who doesn't want that, right? If you need more information or have any questions, please give me a call, text, or send me an email. We're here for you. Do not hesitate to reach out. Happy to hear from you soon. Take care. Bye-bye.